What is the color of turmeric in an acidic solution? Turmeric is a natural indicator that remains yellow in acidic or neutral solutions but turns reddish-brown in basic solutions. This property makes it a simple and effective tool for testing the pH of common household substances. Turmeric does not turn blue in any standard pH range. Blue is a common color change for litmus in bases. Turmeric turns red or reddish-brown in basic, alkaline solutions, not acidic ones. Green is not a characteristic color change for turmeric indicators in acidic environments. What is the term for the process where a base reacts with an acid to form salt and water? Neutralization is the chemical reaction where an acid and a base react to produce a salt and water, effectively cancelling out their respective properties. This process typically involves the combination of hydrogen ions, H+, and hydroxide ions, OH, to form neutral water molecules. What is the observed color change of turmeric indicator paper in an acidic solution? Turmeric is a natural indicator that remains yellow in acidic and neutral solutions, showing no color change. It only reacts with basic solutions, where it turns a deep reddish-brown color. Turning blue is characteristic of red litmus paper in a basic solution. Turning yellow is its original state, not a change in acidic conditions. Turning red is the reaction turmeric has when exposed to a base, not an acid. Why is acidic soil not suitable for plant growth? Acidic soil often leads to nutrient deficiencies because essential elements like phosphorus and magnesium become chemically bound and unavailable for plant uptake. Furthermore, high acidity can increase the solubility of aluminum and manganese to toxic levels that stunt root growth. What do acids produce in water? Acids are substances that dissociate in aqueous solution to release hydrogen ions, H+, which often combine with water to form hydronium ions. This definition follows the Arrhenius theory of acids, which is a fundamental concept in chemistry for competitive exams. For a strong acid, what is the relationship between the concentration of the acid and the concentration of H+ ions? A strong acid undergoes complete ionization in an aqueous solution, releasing all its available hydrogen ions. Consequently, the concentration of H+ ions in the solution is equal to the initial molar concentration of the strong monoprotic acid. What causes the set of symptoms known as acidity? Ethanol, also known as acetaldehyde, is an organic compound with the formula CH3CHO, consisting of a methyl group attached to an aldehyde group. It is a key intermediate in chemical synthesis and is produced naturally by plants and during the metabolism of alcohol in humans. HCHO is the formula for methanol, formaldehyde, which is the simplest aldehyde with only one carbon atom. CHO is the formula for methanoic acid, formic acid, which is a carboxylic acid rather than an aldehyde. CH3COH3 is the formula for propanone, acetone, which is a ketone rather than an aldehyde. In what forms are antacids commonly available? Antacids are weak bases used to neutralize excess stomach acid and are commonly formulated as chewable tablets or liquid suspensions like gels and syrups. These forms ensure rapid relief from symptoms like heartburn and indigestion by acting directly in the digestive tract. Injections and creams are typically used for systemic or topical delivery, not for neutralizing gastric acid. While powders exist, suppositories are intended for rectal administration and are not a common form for antacids. Patches and aerosols are used for transdermal or respiratory delivery and are ineffective for neutralizing stomach acidity. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.